Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today in this video I'm going to show you my easy 10 minutes go-to makeup look. So this is the makeup I usually do when I am in rush and I don't have time to do my makeup. So basically when I have to go for a meeting, events or for shopping and I don't have time to do my whole glam makeup, so this is what I opt for. So yeah, if you want to know how I create this easy 10 minutes makeup look, then please keep on watching. Out of my base, I'm gonna use this PAC moisture lotion. You can see how much I love this. I'm gonna take a nice amount of this. I prefer using this as my daily moisturizer because this is very hydrating. I like to massage under my eyes while applying this moisturizer because you know I'm always in a hurry and my eyes are always puffy. For my base, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Matte Magic 12 Hour Bright Matte Foundation. I'm loving this foundation. It's very affordable and I can use this every day. Sorry, my voice is a little different because I'm suffering from cold and fever, so bear with me. And this is very affordable, guys. I'm just gonna take a small amount of this and I'm going to dot it all over my face. This foundation is really very long lasting and gives me nice matte finish. I'm going to blend this out with using this Morphe sponge. I think I'll spray MAC 6 Plus for more hydration because I'm not feeling well and my skin is getting very dry. Sometimes I prefer using my buffing or foundation brush to blend my foundation. That is the quickest way, but my blushes are not washed, so I'm using this one. I see that that's the effect of Holi. How was your Holi, guys? Let me know in the comment section. This is how my face looks like after that one layer of foundation. It looks really very natural and doesn't require any powder to set, but as I have oily skin, I will set it under my eyes and T-zone. But I think as I'm breaking out a lot, I'm going to use concealer. If you have a flawless skin, you don't require concealer, you are good to go. I think I'll need to fix this situation right here. I'm going to use this LA concealer. The shade is creamy beige and I'm going to apply this under my eyes. I'll keep this concealer to set so that it will give me a better coverage. Until then, I'll do my brows. For brows, I'm recently loving this NYX mascara gel. This is basically tinted brow gel and this is so good, you guys. You just have to brush it across your brow and you are good to go. This gives a lot of volume and texture. Perfect. And now I think my concealer is all set. I'm going to blend it out with the same Morphe sponge. This is like 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, so gives me brightening and highlighting effect. This is how my skin looks like after foundation and concealer. You can see this looks so natural. Up next, I'm going to set my under eye and T-zone with this Kryolan translucent powder. If you guys are following me from my first video, you would know how much I love this translucent powder. I use this every time on my bride and and I have just taken it on my damp sponge, and now I'm going to dab it wherever I need to powder. If you guys see, this literally gives me that airbrush finish. It disappears my fine line and doesn't make it look cakey under my eyes. So that's why I like this technique the most, rather than baking or dusting the powder with the brush. It also helps my concealer to stay all day long because of this technique. I'm also gonna set my forehead, nose and chin, basically wherever I have applied my concealer. I'm not gonna set my cheeks because they are ultra dry, so let's ignore that. So we are done with the base. I'm gonna move on to my eyes, and for that I'm not gonna do a winged eyeliner because obviously I don't do winged eyeliner when I'm in rush. So what I use when I don't use winged eyeliner, this is the answer. So this is the Avon Burnt Olive Kohl pencil. Oh my god guys, this is my 5th pencil and I'm using this non-stop. I just like to apply this kohl pencil on my upper and lower lash line, and that's what I'm gonna do. It's very easy, quick, and like, you got my point. And then when I apply this kohl heavily on my upper and lower lash line, I like to take a small smudger brush and smudge it like so. If you don't have a smudging brush, you can smudge it with your fingers as well. This works. And I'm gonna take this nice transition brown orangey sort of shade and apply it on top of that kohl to give us nice radiant effect. So as I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply lots and lots of mascara. I'm going to use this Mina the volume mascara. This is like a kind of like a dupe of Bobbi Brown big opening eye opening mascara, I believe. I'm gonna take and apply it on my lashes. If you like applying falsies, then you can go ahead and apply falsies. I'm done with the mascara. Let's finish with the face. I'm going to use this Becca Sun Chaser palette. It's a really awesome product, you guys. So it comes with the bronzer, cum contour, blush and highlighter, and highlighter is in the shade Opal, which is my favorite. I really like this bronzer because it's a mixture of warm and cool tone, so it's like bronzing and contouring at the same time. And then I'm gonna take the blusher and apply it on my apples of the cheeks a little bit. Highlighter and boom. I'm gonna apply it on my cupid bow, chin, tip of my nose, brow bone, and my inner corner. I really like to apply my highlighter in my inner corners because it really opens up my eyes. And yeah, that's it for the face. Let's move on to the lipstick. I have my go-to lipstick, and so many of you ask me which lipstick I'm wearing on Instagram, Snapchat, and in reality this is the one, guys. So the secret is out. It's Rosy K from Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm gonna apply it. I really like the formula of this lipstick because it's velvet matte, so it doesn't dry out my lips. This is how I get ready, guys, when I'm in rush and when I have to look presentable. Keep in mind, this is not my everyday makeup. I don't prefer using foundation or blusher for my everyday makeup. So we are done with this makeup tutorial, guys. I'm really loving this glow right now. Basically, I love everything about this makeup. Best part, it takes only 10 minutes or maybe less than that, and yeah, I hope you guys love it. And if so, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please subscribe to my channel. I really wanted to hit my goal, which is 1000 subscribers. Then I shall see you in my next one. Bye.